Hey guys, welcome back to Lithuania, and today I will be discussing why the iPhone 6 is a big failure. Now, I did do a video about this back in November 2020. However, I feel like the video is too vague and it's also a bit outdated considering the fact that it was made 2 years ago. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first topic we will be getting into is its key feature, the size. The iPhone 6 introduced a 4.7-inch screen display size, whilst the iPhone 6 Plus introduced a 5.5-inch display. A screen display that is bigger than the iPhone 10 even now. However, despite the fact that the displays were quite large, it had durability issues. The screen jarred very easily, which is why you still see so many people walking around with cracked iPhone 6s. And this led to the aluminum alloy to bend, which brings us into our next topic, bendgate. The iPhone 6 and the iPhone 6 Plus had an issue called bendgate. This meant that over time, if you were a bit of a rough user on your iPhone 6 or iPhone 6 Plus, it would possibly bend after a little while. A very common weak point was the volume buttons, and the YouTuber who had made it well known to everybody was known as Unbox Therapy, in which he had showcased in his video iPhone 6 Plus Bend Test. The video as of July 18th, 2022 has 73 million views. Apple in September 2014 had announced that some phones bent will be eligible for replacement. A rep at Apple had also announced that they were looking into this controversy with an insane amount of detail. With that brings us to our next topic. Nothing much new was introduced. The iPhone 5S had brought many new features to the table: Touch ID, slow motion video, and dual flash, to name a few. The iPhone 6 only introduced larger sizes. If you wanted the newest features, you would have to spend $749 on the iPhone 6 Plus, which was optical image stabilization. However, if you didn't care for the bigger sizes or optical image stabilization or Apple Pay, you could buy an iPhone 5S at that same time for around $550. In the end, the iPhone 5S also ended iOS support at the same time as the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, so it was worth buying an iPhone 5S in the first place. According to 222 million people, it's still worth buying an iPhone 6 though. The final topic we will be going into is how the iPhone 6 Plus had touch disease. This was an internal issue with the motherboard on the iPhone 6 Plus, and the problem was that when it had this motherboard issue, the iPhone 6 Plus digitizer would not work. This issue was caused by a design flaw where the soldering of the two touchscreen controller chips built into the iPhone 6 Plus, leading to many being affected. Apple, however, still allows the repair program. So if you do ever happen to have an iPhone 6 Plus with touch disease, now it is your time to get it replaced before they end the program. With that all being said, you're watching Lithuania. Thank you for watching, and until next time.